Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Praveen Kumar Sriram. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer, author, and working as a solutions architect on Azure. So today we are going to learn about a tool, a web-based online tool called Bicep Playground. We will learn how to use a Bicep Playground today. Before we start working on it, let's understand the features of this online tool. What is this Azure Bicep Playground? As I said, it's an online tool which contains around 130 readily available bicep templates. So you can search for any template that suits your requirement, and then once you find the one that is needed, you can generate a link, a unique link for the template, and you can share that with your team members, or you can save it if you want to use it in the future as well. And in case if you are still using ARM templates in your projects, right? But you would like to have a bicep code and convert that into ARM template, it's absolutely possible to do that. And then it also allows us to convert an existing ARM template into a corresponding bicep template as well right in the browser. All right, let's see how it works. So just go to Google and say Azure Bicep Playground, and then you can click on this link which takes you to the web page which shows us all the existing bicep templates. As of this recording, it contains around 133 templates. Yep, it has got loaded perfectly now. So here is a URL. By looking at this URL, understand that this is static content which is stored in some storage account of Azure. Right? In the left hand side, you see bicep code, and in the right hand side, you see the corresponding ARM template. Okay. So in the left hand side, you can make some changes. For example, let's say if you want to add a new parameter, new parameter of type string. Automatically in the right hand side, you see the corresponding parameter automatically added. And this right hand side ARM template is read only. You cannot make any changes to that. See, if you try to type anything, get an error saying that it's read only. Okay. So whenever you are working with Bicep and you want to see how it looks like in ARM template, then you can use this tool. Okay. Now let's say you don't want the default one, you want to search for anything. Let's say SQL Server. Right. As you see, it contains all the Bicep scripts right from beginners to advanced levels. Right. So now let's say you want to work for some SQL related stuff. So it has a search box. When you say SQL, you will see all the SQL Server related scripts. Let's say I would like to create a simple SQL database. So you can click on this. It will show us the Bicep script that is required for creating a SQL Server and a SQL database. Right? Now let's say you want to share this with your team members or your friends. So all you need to do is click on this copy link button, which can be shared, and whoever wants to access it, they can browse it like this. So paste this URL, which contains the unique code for the selected template. Now, once you press enter, it will open up the SQL database bicep code automatically for us. See, it's all related to SQL. Now the URL got changed, but still the SQL related script is shown here. That's how you can share the link of any template with your team members. And then one other nice feature of this tool is decompiling. So let's say you have an existing ARM template. Now you would like to convert that automatically into bicep. This decompile feature will help us in converting an existing ARM template into the corresponding bicep code. For example, let me open Visual Studio Code. So here you see an ARM template called appconfig.json. This contains the ARM template related to creation of config store, right? So this is currently located in my local machine. Now I would like to change this JSON file into corresponding bicep script. So without we spending any efforts, this tool will help us in generating the corresponding bicep code. Okay, let's try that. So right now we are in a hello world program here, but now I would like to use this decompile function. When I click on this decompile button, it opens up a pop-up and asks us to provide the location of our config file. Appconfig.json is the file that I have shown you in Visual Studio Code. Let me click on this and click on open. Yep, you see in the right hand side, this is our ARM template, and it automatically created a bicep script which is available in the left hand side. So whenever you want to convert your ARM template into bicep script, then you should use this decompile feature. So definitely this online bicep tool, bicep playground, helps you lots of time if you're planning to work with bicep or you're planning to convert your ARM templates into bicep. That's it for today. I hope you like this tool. Thank you so much. We'll come up with some new interesting videos. Till then, bye bye. Thank you for watching. Have a good day ahead.